know about you, but with the weather getting warmer, this is the time of year when we sometimes crave a little menu change.
Yeah, something lighter and fresher for spring. And Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with some great suggestions.
Yeah, I picked some recipes that I feel just are more appropriate for spring. Of course, they're good any time of the year, but fresh asparagus, I always think of that this time of year.
Yeah.
And just incorporating more, like you said, like lighter, fresher ingredients, flavors. So
what are you making?
And the first recipe is super fast. I'm gonna make beef fried rice, but we don't have any egg in it. So it's a little different, but we're gonna do it eggless. We have enough protein from the beef, 30 grams of protein per serving. But I went ahead, I browned that quick, and I have kind of my drippings from my ground beef in here. And then I've got a cup of peas. Actually used frozen peas, but then and then a cup of red pepper. We did like a large dice. And then I'm just gonna add some garlic and some ginger. I kind of do, I hit the easy button there and I do the tubes.
Oh, yeah.
They're great. Cause so like you can whip this recipe up in 20 minutes. So that's kind of perfect for this time of year too. I always feel a little bit busier now. Should be out doing yard work, right?
Yeah, right.
Green onion.
Oh, it's so colorful.
Just kind of warm these up, saute them a minute or two, take the edge off of those peppers. And then
Very fragrant.
It is.
Too bad this isn't smell-o-vision.
And then I'm gonna put the ground beef back in.
Okay.
So that's kind of about it.
Did you season the ground beef with anything?
No, I didn't, but you could definitely do salt and pepper. I didn't because I kind of wanted that garlic ginger to come through. And then I have soy sauce, and actually it's a reduced sodium.
Okay. So
About
you really
3
don't need
tablespoons.
to add any salt because you've got enough.
Yeah, with
Really
the
through the soy sauce.
Yeah, definitely. So we'll let that kind of sit and simmer, but it's pretty much done. Maybe give it, like at home, give it 5 minutes.
Okay.
Let your veggies cook a little more, depending on how you like them. If you like your peppers really crunchy, I kind of do. But if you want to soften them, we'll give it another 5 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, then let's put in the rice. We'll put that in right now.
You put the rice right into the
Yep,
skillet.
I'm going to put it right in the skillet.
And obviously you cooked it beforehand.
I did cook it. I got just some nice brown rice. I cooked that beforehand. So it's not really a one-dish meal, kind of 2 dishes, but not bad.
That's
But
okay.
it couldn't be easier.
Right,
That
and that's it. Now this recipe is a chef-inspired checkoff recipe, so it's a little bit futzier. It's got some more ingredients, but it's kind of well worth it. It's a homemade hummus. If you want to try your hand at that, with a little tomato paste in it, so it's got a little tomato flavor. And then sauteed asparagus. That was, I just simply sauteed that, and I did lemon juice and lemon zest of 1 lemon. Sauteed in a little butter, and then I did a top sirloin steak. I just did it in my skillet, like this, on my stove top, because I'm not grill ready yet. And that has smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, a little salt and pepper as the seasoning. It's good. It's with the smoked paprika and cumin. It's really good. And then in that, since I did it in the skillet, I used the drippings and made a little pan sauce.
Of course you did, Angie.
Well, because I followed the recipe. Well, you don't have to do that, but then it's got a little pan sauce drizzled over the top. So kind of a fun spring, maybe entertaining recipe, a nice Saturday night recipe.
I was just going to say, good dinner party recipe, right?
Definitely. Yeah, so
there's your
that's
fried
kind of
rice.
it. So we got beef fried rice, and then the smoky sirloin steak with tomato hummus, beeftips.com. I've got links to everything right on the homepage, and then I kind of picked out some other fun spring-inspired recipes too. So
Great.
check them out.
Yeah,
Look at this,
I know,
how
look at
gorgeous that is.
Try one new recipe.
It's very colorful.
Yeah, it is.
Wonderful.
All right, thanks, Ange.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Hey, eat up, people.